Welcome to Just for Tonight, a new feature that focuses on local businesses. I'm Ryan Rhodes. Tonight, our special guest is Mike Uhrlaub, owner and physical therapist of Flex Physical Therapy. Thanks so much for being here, Mike.
Thanks for having me, Ryan.
Absolutely. Tell us a little bit about your practice at Flex Physical Therapy.
Well, Flex Physical Therapy has been around for 9.5 years. We're an outpatient physical therapy clinic. We specialize in providing revolutionary physical therapy and pain relief services for those with any pain, injury, or weakness. Specifically, we specialize in treatment of muscle, ligament, tendon, joint, and nerve type problems. What we do, Ryan, is we get to the root cause of the problem. Instead of merely just treating the symptoms, the therapist takes the time to figure out what is exactly going on with each one of their patients, develop a program specifically tailored for that individual. When we do that, what we find out is that we have longer lasting results and we have less of a recurrence of problems down the road.
With these assessments with a physical therapist, how many sessions after they assess what the problems are does a typical person go through?
Most of our patients get better in 6 visits.
That sounds great. And do you take care of kids as well as adults?
We do. We take care of active kids from the age of about 8, 9 years old on up.
Now, in this day and age with modern technology, what kind of revolutionary new technology is out there and available?
Well, at Flex, what we've been using is the Microlight 830Laser. This is a new revolutionary device that's been available in the U.S. only just recently, since around 2002. And what it is an actual class 3 medical laser. And of course, with lasers now, they're really using them a lot in medicine. You know, you hear of LASIK eye surgery, you hear of laser back surgery. This is not a cutting laser. This is actually a cold laser. That means the wavelength of light that it uses is in the cold spectrum of the wavelengths. So what happens is when we set it over the injured tissue, the photons of light have the ability to pass through the tissue and up to 2 inches into the body. So then that creates an effect known as biostimulation, where it energizes the cells of the injured tissue, increases their activity. What that does is helps draw more blood into that area. It opens up the blood flow. And of course, as we know, the more blood you can get to the injured tissue, it can get the nutrients, the things that it needs in order to heal. Essentially, this is using just light to help the body heal naturally, to affect that tissue and decrease the pain, accelerate the healing, and decrease the inflammation. It's been very effective and our patients love it.
That's amazing, amazing technology to facilitate such speedy recovery.
Oh, absolutely, and it is all natural. So, you know, in today's age, instead of being dependent on the medication, this has actually been very helpful and crucial for a lot of our patients in management and actually to fix some of their problems.
If somebody doesn't have insurance or a physician referral, can they come see you?
Absolutely. They do not need to have insurance or a physician's referral. We do participate in all the major health plans, including Medicare, but we also have special plans and discounts in place for those folks who don't have insurance. They may have high deductibles, or they might be going through a financial hardship. And then also they can come and just make an appointment with us. They don't need a physician's order. What's
your website address so that they could take advantage of the September special?
Sure. It is www.flex-pt.com.
Mike, that's all the time that we have. Thanks so much for being a part of our show.
Thank you.
I'm Ryan Rhodes, and this is Just for Tonight.